Giggles and grapes.
Hi, Juniors! Today we're going on a magical adventure to explore the wonderful world of rainbows. Are you ready? A rainbow is a beautiful natural wonder that happens when sunlight passes through tiny drops of water in the air. Isn't it amazing, all these beautiful colors? It's like a big, colorful smile in the sky. I love all these colors in the rainbow world. Let's learn the colors of the rainbow together. Where did the rainbow go? There it is. Let's color it. Can you repeat after me? Red. Good job. The next one is orange. Say orange. Say yellow. Wow, you are amazing at it. Now say green. Three more colors to go. Say blue. Now say indigo. Oh, look, the rainbow is melting. Let's say the last color as fast as you can. Violet. Yay, we did it. We filled all 7 colors. Look, a magical rainbow unicorn. Looks like it is happy. The magical unicorn is trying to tell us something. Well, the rainbow unicorn has made it even more fun. Let's have fun with the fun rainbow facts. Did you know that rainbows can occur at night, too? It's called a moonbow. Moonbows are rare nighttime rainbows, formed by moonlight, not sunlight. Best seen during a full moon, require dark, clear skies. And did you know that the longest recorded rainbow lasted for 8 hours and 58 minutes? It was seen in Taiwan in the year 2017. A rainbow always appears in the same order of colors. Thanks for joining me on this rainbow adventure. Remember, every time you see a rainbow, it's like a little piece of magic in the sky. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always keep smiling. This video is in collaboration with Buscani Chocolate Chip Cookies.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.